With the climate changing and the temperatures rising due to things such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and intense farming, there will be impacts seen and felt across the world. Glaciers, which are large areas of ice that move across the land, will start to melt. This means that sea levels will start to rise. Low-lying areas of the world, such as India, Egypt, and the Netherlands, will be at most risk from flooding linked to this. Sea ice will also melt. This will impact the animals that use it as their homes, such as seals, penguins, polar bears, and certain bird species. Extreme weather events such as heat waves that can trigger wildfires, floods, typhoons, and droughts will happen more frequently. This can have devastating impacts across the globe, with people losing their homes, their livelihoods, food sources, and sometimes even their lives. Climate change is also linked to animals becoming endangered or even extinct. This is because the change in climate means their habitats will change, which can mean there is less food and resources for them to survive in. Health of humans can also be impacted, with an increase in tropical diseases and also smog in the air as examples. There is, however, hope in preventing the worst effects of climate change.